voted 257 in favor, 25 against, and 9 abstentions, officially impeaching Vice President Sara Duterte. The vote clearly surpassed the constitutional threshold, prompting the transmittal of the articles of impeachment to the Senate. Ahead of the vote, House Justice Committee Chairperson Jervy Luistro defended the process.
Hindi tayo naghanap ng shortcut. Naghanap tayo ng katotohanan. At maging malinaw po tayo, ang prosesong ito ay hindi paghamak sa mga Pilipinong sumusuporta sa Vice Presidente.
Several members of the Duterte family were present during the session, including Davao City Congressman Pulong Duterte, Omar Duterte, and Harold Duterte. However, before the vote took place, the group walked out of the plenary.
Sir, form of protest po ba ito, yung pag-walk out, sir?
Anong going to do?
Sir, is this walking out?
Huh? Yes. So, tingin mo, sabi ko.
The articles of impeachment include 4 major allegations: misuse of confidential funds, unexplained wealth, bribery of DepEd officials, and alleged threat against President Bongbong Marcos. Supporters of the move said it was a matter of accountability.
Mr. Speaker, my dear colleagues, 69% ng mga Pilipino ang gustong harapin ni Sara Duterte ang lahat ng aligasyon laban sa kanya. The numbers do not lie. The majority of Filipinos want to start the impeachment trial, and they want to start it forthwith. Who are we to stand in their way? Hindi tayo dapat matinag sa nangyaring Senate coup. Hindi tayo magpapasindak sa mga bababatas sa supporter ni VP Sara na bigla nilang magpapakita at magtatantrum sa plenary. Pare-pareho silang managot. Simula na ang paglilitis. Convict Sara now.
Meanwhile, several lawmakers opposed the move, including Congressman Kiko Barzaga and Paulo Marcoleta.
As the youngest representative of the Philippine House of Representatives present here today, I speak on behalf of my hopes for a bright future for our nation that is free from corruption and against the impeachment of Vice President Sara Duterte, the only 2028 presidential candidate who is capable of creating that future. Sara Duterte is our nation's most vocal anti-corruption figure, as she is the first one to reveal the massive flood control corruption in the 2025 budget and the involvement of former Speaker Martin Romualdez and Appropriations Chairman Zaldico.
Anong klaseng kahipokrituhan ito? This impeachment process is not really for accountability.
For their part, the Duterte camp said the burden of proof now rests with the accusers and that they are fully prepared to defend the Vice President before the Senate.